Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by understanding what corruption does and why it matters. Read official patch notes and league rules so you don't violate terms. Once done, experiment only on low-value or disposable items to learn risk and variability. Make sure to track results and patterns, and avoid sharing exploits or tools that alter game integrity. This approach builds practical familiarity while keeping your account secure and within community guidelines. Now you analyze patterns and iterate on what works for your goals. Start collecting data, which bases, item rarities, and crafting states yield desirable corrupt outcomes. Once you have a small dataset, look for consistent correlations and adapt your strategy within permitted gameplay. Make sure to prioritize account safety and avoid third-party programs. Rely on in-game mechanics, documented probabilities, and conservative budgeting of currency to refine your decisions responsibly. Finish by evaluating results against your goals. Keep items that meaningfully improve your build or craft, and trade or vendor the rest through legitimate channels. If an unexpected outcome or account issue occurs, stop experimentation immediately and gather logs and screenshots. Then contact official support with clear evidence. This troubleshooting step protects your account and clarifies any rule ambiguities. Make sure to follow official guidance rather than community rumor for resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.